My husband has a higher sex drive than I. Of late, this is causing a lot of friction in the bedroom, and I'm afraid it'll eventually weaken our marriage. What should I do?
Yeah, this is probably a problem that many couples face. What is very important to recognize here is that this is not a question of sex drive alone. This is actually a question of recognizing what each of you is actually going through as a couple. Communication is what you need to be using a lot more of than you currently do. Clearly, at one level, your husband wants to be with you alone and wants to satisfy, quote unquote, his desires through you. You have a problem making use of your body to satisfy your husband's desires simply because your body is not cooperating. So try to look at it in terms of, are you at a mental level ready to recognize the legitimacy of your husband's needs? If you are, let me assure you, using your body in exactly that one particular way in which your husband probably wants is not the only solution in this scenario. There are probably many other ways to do it, but all of this will come out as possibilities only when, at the mental level, you are willing to concede the legitimacy of your husband's needs. At the same time, once your husband recognizes that you acknowledge the legitimacy of his bodily needs, it is very likely that your husband will also understand what you are really going through. Because right now he feels cheated. He feels that what is his legitimate desire is not being fulfilled. And he sees himself as trapped because he doesn't want to go out of what is considered the boundaries of matrimony, which he probably considers sacred. So he feels that, hey, look, I am restricting myself and my needs are not being fulfilled. So he has no space available to look at your needs or your problems. The moment he recognizes that his needs are recognized but they are unable to be fulfilled in exactly the manner in which he is looking for them to be fulfilled, he will expand his perspective to open to what you're going through as well. And this is the way forward for your marriage.